Bloating got you feeling like a human hot air balloon? Let's bring you back down to earth. Hey there, friends. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of digestion. Yep, we're talking about bloating, everyone's least favorite after-dinner guest. First tip, slow it down. Eating too fast can trap air in your digestive tract. So, take your time, chew well, and savor each bite. Your stomach will thank you. Next up, watch your fiber intake. Fiber is fantastic for digestion, but too much too soon can leave you feeling puffed up. Gradually increase your fiber to keep things moving smoothly. Hydration station. Water helps break down food and keeps things flowing. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Bonus tip, try drinking warm water with lemon in the morning. It's like a wake-up call for your digestive system. Ever heard of probiotics? These friendly bacteria are your gut's best buddies. Find them in yogurt, kefir, and even supplements. They help balance your gut flora and keep bloating at bay. And lastly, avoid those sneaky gas-producing foods. Beans, broccoli, and carbonated drinks are common culprits. Cut back on these to keep your belly happy. Breezy tips to keep bloating from crashing your party. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more feel-good tips.